The Beanie Boo's plane ride should be out maybe Sunday or Saturday. I don't know, probably Sunday, and it will be a premiere, so get ready. Let's just do the cast real quick. Me, Slick, Patches, the Donut Crew, Glamour, Dougie, Pixie, Spirit, Georgia, Dexter, Moonlight, Muffin, Potion, Gazelle. Everybody hates her Beanie Boo form, but people seem to like her on my channel. Tracy, Pelly's mortal enemy, Buckwheat, Rocco, Tala, Duke, and Freckles. The skit will probably be out Sunday morning, my time. Maybe about 8? No. a.m.? No, about 10 p.m. my time. And Club TY. I don't know when you guys' times are. Frosco. You know what? Never mind. Just be sure to look up EST and see how far behind or far ahead we are. Cause that's what time I am. Time zone I'm in. So yeah. Bye.